ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It is capable of understanding and generating human-like text responses to engage in natural conversations. It can be integrated into various applications to improve user experiences. ChatGPT is trained using a large dataset containing examples of human conversations. It learns from this data to understand context, generate relevant responses, and maintain coherent conversations. The model uses a transformer architecture and is trained through a process called unsupervised learning. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer support systems to provide instant and accurate responses to user queries. It can also be used as virtual assistants, helping users with tasks and providing information. Language learning platforms can utilize ChatGPT to simulate conversations and offer interactive practice for learners. ChatGPT enhances user experiences by providing more interactive and engaging conversations. It can handle a wide range of topics and offers quick responses. However, some challenges include potential bias in generated text and the potential for producing out-of-context responses. Continuous improvements in data selection and model training are necessary to address these challenges.